Hey everybody, happy holidays. So, the smally but goody feature. So as an end user on the My Device page, I want to see file paths of installed software so that I can see where I have vulnerable software installed. And we can see on this VM here that I'm an end user and I can easily find vulnerable software on my machine. And now by click or tab, shout out to Rachel for making implementing this tabability quite easy. Now I can see where this software is installed on my machine and potentially address it quite easily with that. And that's it for that one. No documentation, just a little feature.